So, is your skincare company actually a scientific backed company?
We try, we try. We're not perfect, but we've registered our studies, right? 101. We've said, okay, we're going to do this. And we registered either with clinicaltrials.gov or the UK Clinical Trials Repository. We've said these are the endpoints, and we live and die by the results that we get. We have a independently validated mechanism of action that was validated by a top academic research institution, the Karolinska Institute, that shows that our product works exactly the way we tell people it does. And I'm not aware of any other brand, science-backed brand, that can say that.
What is Adipeau really doing to your face?
So Adipeau treats the dermal fat cells. So we have skin-specific fat cells, and you can tell they're there because if you pull out a hair, that sticky stuff at the bottom, that's fat. This is our mechanism of action. So they do two things. They reduce the size of the mature fat cells, and they increase the number of mature fat cells. And so that creates a healthy dermal white adipose tissue.
So, these healthy fat tissues, they're often called fat cells. What the heck is a skinny fat cell?
So the fat cells are the only cells in the body that can increase their size by 4 times, 5 times, 10 times even. The only cells in the body. The problem is when they get really big, they become really dysfunctional and inflamed. So the bloated fat cells are the primary source of inflammation in the skin.